So today I'm not going to get the wheels fitted on the car, but I'm going to get them mounted to the tires. So in the back I have two 45s in the front and two 55s in the rear, and these are actually the wheels I chose. I wanted these for 5 years, or at least 5 years ago. So I can't wait to see how they actually look on the car, and you guys have probably already seen how they look on the car judging from the intro. So I could already tell I'm pretty happy on this. So I just can't wait to get them fitted on. So we're about to go to the place to get the wheels put on the tire, and I'll catch you guys then. I'm pretty convinced that Maryland is starting to turn into the UK now, because every single time, no surprise, and it's kind of weird honestly, every single time I want to record on a day that something's about to happen, it's always raining. It happened with the bumper video, it happened with the tint video, which was like 2 in 1, and now it's with this. So I mean, hopefully it gets sunny, but for today it's just going to be rainy. So oh well, just gotta deal with it. Some of you guys have been asking about the GS300 for a while now, and the car's been running pretty strong. I still gotta get that header leak fixed, so I'll find a time to do that pretty soon. But as of now, we're just gonna worry about the wheels, and I'll try to actually knock out 2 in 1. So I'll probably do the header leak some other time, like maybe this weekend if I have time. But if not, within a week or so, I'm definitely gonna get that fixed. So yeah, the car's just been running pretty strong. I recently just got brakes done and rotors, so the car just brakes smooth. Like, this car never really skips a beat, honestly. These cars are just bulletproof, to be honest. I kind of call it a Camry or Avalon, but that's just a joke. But these cars are just really good, man. Yes, we have made it. I've always loved actually coming here. These are the people that actually put on my wheels and teen coilovers when I first had the G wheels, as you guys fondly remember. As fun as I remember running that setup, it's just time for new ones. So let's see what happens in the next few clips. Get you guys in. It's so nice to finally have clean, chromed out, shiny wheels. Amazing. Alright guys, so I just put the center cap on one of them, and just look. This isn't even completely uncovered and on the car yet. And this is probably as clean as they're gonna probably stay, just fresh out the package. But wow, like, I've wanted these wheels since I was 15, so 5 years ago, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I can't wait to see what these look like on the car.
It's a cold world, so my girl is a coco. She is a ho-ho, she is ho-ho-ho.
Alright guys, so a few hours have passed. I actually got off work not too long ago, and you can see that, well, these are just 2 out of the 4 wheels. The other 2 are in the house as of now. I just wanted to pull these 2 out and just to see how they would look on the car, just from like an angle here. And I'm already falling in love with the setup here. Thank you to Luigi Motorsport for definitely hooking me up once again for the balancing of the tires on top of the rim too. Yeah, there's only a matter of time before I actually get these on the car, and I definitely want to go lower with this thing. So we'll just have to see how it goes pretty soon. But from this point on, I'll see you guys in the next clip. It will be a few days from now, and the next clip will basically be these wheels being put on this car. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so today's the day I'm gonna actually get these installed, and I have some open wheel lugs too that hopefully will fit with this. So I have the 2 front tires sitting in the back here. I got one of the tires here for the rear, and the other one is in the back right here. About to put that inside, but this will be the last time this car will be on the stock wheels for a very long time, if not forever, honestly. So after I sold the G wheels, It took me a while to get used to the stock look of these wheels, and I actually do like them, and it's better because my car is lowered. But at first I didn't really like them because I'm used to 18s, not 16s. These don't look too bad though. But I can't wait to put these on. So see you guys when I put these on, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey, quick tip for all you Toyota/Lexus owners out there. ECT snow mode, especially if you're on the highway, saves a lot of gas. It's really helpful. So I made it to my friend's house here. So this is one of my good homies. He actually helps me with a lot of the GS stuff. So if you guys need any help with a lot of maintenance, I'll actually put his in the video and in the description of the video. But right now we're about to take out the wheels, and I'm about to actually get them fitted on with the help of my friend. So just can't wait to see how this is gonna look. This will be my first time seeing how they generally look on the car. And it's pretty dark at the moment, but I'll try to get as best as I can when it comes to the footage here. But without further ado, let's get it started. So the front left one is off as of now. It looks too good right now.
Yeah.
So crazy.
With the wheels.
Virginia drive at night is nothing.
It's both of the sides on. I wish you guys could see how this looks right now, but wow, so much chrome right now. Making progress so far. That's for the rear right one. About to take off the rear right one as well right now. Here are the two tires from the other side, two rims tires. Needs more low, man, definitely. It's been a long time. You doing good over here, bro?
Yeah, be alright.
Here we go. The rear right one is finally on now. I wish the lighting was so much better with my camera, or phone. It's looking like how I want it to. It's beautiful. Down to the last one, the front left one now, or the front right one, I mean. It's crazy. I'll show you guys the last one we got here. It's the last one. Last one. Friend's been on the last one in the front here. It's a long time coming. Got all stock 4 wheels piled up here. It's crazy. I gotta show you guys what this looks like as best as I can now, if not, especially when it gets a whole lot brighter. It's beautiful. Just can't believe I have them on here finally. Studio lighting. Studio lighting is good, bro. For real. GS on 22s in the projects right here. See the chromed out and everything. I'm not no drug dealer, I promise you. Yeah.
Like a VHS filter.
I know, bro. It would look sick. It actually fits with the aesthetic. It's the finish. I got everybody following me now. Wow, that's cool. That's the best angle, right there. That's like the money shot. And the single exit right there. They got these OEM 20-year-old stocks in here. It's cool. I'm beyond speechless right now that this is my car. I understand it needs to be lower, at least for me, so I'm gonna definitely get that taken care of soon, but I just wanted to see how they would look on the car for the time being. And yeah, I wish you guys could see what this looks like in person, because to me, this is everything I've actually wanted for this car now. That's so cool. It either. I genuinely cannot believe it either. Is this really my car? Is this my car? Is this my car? It is my car, man. Wow. So, quick little background. These wheels were wheels I've wanted since I was 15 years old, so 5 years ago. I was doing a lot of research on a lot of wheels, and I don't care what people say if these are reps. I don't even think these are reps, but if they are, just put some knowledge in my mind down below. These are some wheels I've thought about getting for a pretty long time. They're not quite literally my dream wheels for this car, but out of every single wheel I've thought about, like even some 370Z Nismo stocks, if not like some other 350Z wheels, or any Nissan or any other type of wheel that would really go well with this car, like Rem style, this was really just going to be the one. I didn't want to get some knockoff TEs or anything like that. No shame to anybody who runs reps, by the way. If they look good, they look good. If they look bad, that's just people's opinion. So these are chrome Whistler KR1s. They're 18 inches all around, 18 by 9, and the front is 245/35/18, rear is 255/35/18. If you're wondering why is the front so wide and why is the rear so wide, at least for this car, I'm going for more of a track stance look, and believe me, the front, I wanted it to be maybe like a 225 or 235, but I couldn't pass up the deal I got on these Michelin Pilot Sports in the front, and I never ran a tire that was that big in the front. On the G wheels that I had, as you guys know, I'm not sure if I disclosed this actually, but those wheels in the front, I had 225s in the front, but the rear, the 255 has just always been solid. And in the rain, and I've tested this car in the rain on this setup, it's been about a day or two of me having the setup on now. It's completely grippy in the rain. It's not like it's on the stock 255s all around. I used to have 215s in the front though for those. It's not like it's just gonna slide around everywhere or anything like that. It's just completely grippy, and it's pretty much what I wanted. Yes, I know you guys have probably been eyeing this. I'm definitely gonna get it fixed, don't mind that. But here we are, guys, man. It's been a long time coming. This took a lot of preparation for me to get all of the things together for this setup. This is my first actual wheel I've ever actually had on this car that's new, out of the package, brand new. Whistler wheels are definitely a good brand, at least to me. They look really good on a lot of cars, but you don't really see, personally to me, you don't really see Whistler KR1s or any type of Whistlers on GS300s, and I'm not sure it's because I just have the color, just how like the kit just looks. I just need to get a side skirt though to really like complete it, but it looks really nice, at least to me. You know, what do you guys think? I personally think it brings out the car a lot. If I didn't get the chrome, I don't think it would pop out as much. So I'm really proud of how this actually came out, and I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen next with this car. And I don't want to tell you guys, but judging by this car, what do you think it needs next? Because I know what it needs next. It's probably a big hint right here. Big hint. So yeah, one of the biggest things I really want to do for this car is get that bumper fixed again, because I'm really tired of dealing with the cracks on each side. It's really annoying just dealing with it. I've tried to repair it over and over and over again with some fiberglass resin and just a few other materials and compound that I mixed together. it just keeps falling off. So I'm gonna just have it taped for now, and I'm eventually gonna get it fixed. So it is what it is. That's just the name of the game when it comes to this car stuff. So I ain't really that mad. At first I was like, oh no, but you know, that's just how it is. I'll get it fixed. So it ain't really that big of a deal to me, man. That's just how it is. But before I close out this video, I want to give a big shout out to Luigi Motorsport for helping me get the tires balanced on the wheel. I also want to thank my friend Kevin, my good friend Kevin here. He helped me put on the wheels, as you guys saw in the video, if you saw it, if you didn't skip until the end here. But yeah, he was a big help for me getting these wheels on the car. I eventually am going to get this car lowered a little bit more to where it's practically perfect. I might have to shave the rear to where I can get better fitment and not rub in the back, because I do have a somewhat wide tire in the back, but low profile, which is good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for sticking to the end. Appreciate you for all the support you guys have given me, and especially you watching this video, whether it's your first time watching this video or my whole entire channel. Just anything that has to do with this car, I appreciate you. This has been, I will say, like a long time dream, but I can say a passion for some time now. And this video was one I wanted to make for a long time, having one of my favorite wheels I envisioned for this car for a long time. One of the biggest things for any person to do to their car, but for me to have these wheels on this car was one of the biggest things I've done for this car. Possibly, probably be the biggest thing I will do to this car as far as like anticipation, weight, personally me, and a very, very